My channel, guys. Today I'm doing boiled food and ackee and saltfish. Here I have some ackee, tomato, onion, hot pepper, sweet pepper, black pepper, piece of thyme, scallion, green banana, piece of yam, some flour. Here my saltfish soaking in some water, and here are some cooking oil. Now I'm going to start the process and show you how I cook my ackee and saltfish and boiled food. Stay tuned. Here I have some water on the stove. Now I'm going to pour some salt into it. Now I put on my saltfish to boil. Soon as it starts boiling, boil up, I put in my ackee. Now I'm going to start preparing my flour. Here's my flour in a bowl. Now I'm going to add some salt to it. Now I'm going to mix my flour. Guys, if you cook hard food and you not put no dumpling night, it come like you not cook no food. Dumpling half in a pot. If you say yes, you cook. I finished mixed up my flour. Now I'm kneading it. Pot is boiling up. Now I'm gonna put in my dumpling. See guys, this is how I make dumpling. Nice. It ain't not pretty like some of yours, but this is how I make my dumpling. Put in my dumpling in the pot. Prepare my ackee, clean it up. Guys, all I got to do is get a small cut around to get the seed out. Don't cut it too deep, you'll waste the ackee. And try to get all the red from the inside. Like this, clean. I see, I poured my ackee in because the water is boiling up, and leave it to cook now, guys. I'm gonna peel my yam. Guys, when you're peeling yam, you don't go deep on it because you waste the yam in the skin. You peel it light like this. Guys, where I'm from, it's red dirt, so don't mind the dirt off the yam. It will be washed. I'm from the Garden Parish. There, I finished peeling my yam. Now I'm washing my yam. Get it cut up. Small pieces. Finish washing it up. Now I'm putting my yam into the pot. I start peeling my banana. First thing first you do, get some cooking oil, pour it on your hand. Rub it up so your hand won't be stained. Your hand won't stain up. Rub it up good. Then get the banana. Cut them off. This is how you peel banana, guys. Cut the bottom, mark it thinly, cut the top, then peel. Don't cut it too deep when you're marking it, because you cut out the banana in the skin. And you don't want that, guys. Now I'm gonna stir up my pot. My banana finished peeling, so now I'm gonna put it in the pot. Now I'm gonna put in the banana. Put in a piece of the skin also, so that the water don't change color because of the banana. Now my saltfish is cooked. I take it out and put it into some cold water. Now all my natural season already washed and clean up. Now I'm gonna cut it up. Onion, not using all of the onion, it's a big onion. Sweet pepper. Tomato, hot pepper. Garlic. Cutting a little finer. Scallion. A piece of thyme. Not cutting up my thyme, just leaving it like that. Finish cook. I strained off the water. Already cleaned up. Now I'm picking it up. Picking up my saltfish. Saltfish finished picking up. My ackee and saltfish. I'm pouring a little oil in it. Not much, just a little. Then I'm gonna add all my natural season. Give it a stir. And leave it for a few minutes. And here is my food pot boiling up. Soup finished in about next 20 minutes or so. Now I'm gonna add in my saltfish. Stir it up a bit. Now I'm gonna add my ackee. Add in some black pepper. Stir it up. leave it for about 2 minutes. Now look on my ackee and saltfish. Now it's all done. Now it's all done. See there, my hard food is finally finished. Now I'm gonna plate it and show you what it look like, guys. Product ackee and saltfish, yam and dumpling and green banana. Smells so good. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend.